really key to all of this, underpinning all of this, is the fact that our perception of the world is also, slightly flawed. So there's some lovely work that's come out of Chris Frith and Jutta Frith's lab at University College London. So they've looked at how if you get different people together and allow them to freely discuss what they're seeing the problem is within. So they're given a particular environment and they've got to kind of say what's going on within that environment and where a problem might be. And when they get people to be able to freely discuss their version of reality with each other, they're more likely to get towards a more accurate representation of reality. And this goes to show that each of us has actually a slightly flawed version of reality. We're each wandering around in our very different perception of the world. We notice different things. We're conscious of different things. And that's based on our genes, but also our experiences. And that goes on to obviously instruct how we're going to interact with the world. So we're each seeing the world in a very different way as well.
Right. I think our perception of things, we're sort of trapped in the bubble of our own perception because that is our reality. You quoted Dr. Robert Sapolsky in your book saying that his argument for biological determinism, effectively that I can't imagine living as though free will didn't exist. Mm-hmm. So maybe we can never truly perceive ourselves as entirely as at the expense of our biological drives because of the way we perceive the world.
And that's really important. There's some studies that have shown that actually when you make people not believe in their own agency, so you make them think that they've got no control over their lives, then actually they're more likely to veer towards making immoral decisions. So because they think, oh, well, it's not my responsibility. The behavior isn't under my own responsibility. It's not my fault I'm behaving like this. It's my genes, it's my brain. And so therefore I've got to get out of jail card. I can behave in any way possible. So there is some danger to my having written this book, which I am aware of.